Hi, everyone. I'm Jasmine, and welcome to Jasmine's Reading Corner. For today's Storytime storybook, I'll be reading Love from Sesame Street. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. So now, let's begin. Love from Sesame Street. Love from Sesame Street by Sesame Workshop, illustrated by Ernie Kwiat. Love is a sunny day. Love is dancing by yourself to your favorite song. Love is being an everyday hero. Love is infinity, bigger than all of the numbers, is what Count Dracula says in his Count Dracula voice. Love comes in all shapes and sizes. Love is building something together. Love is giggles and kisses and hugs and squishes. Love sings in every language. La 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 la. Love is being kind to all your best friends. Love makes all kinds of sounds. Honk honk, honk honk, honk honk, honk honk, honk honk. I like it messy. Love is accepting life even when it is messy, is what Oscar the Grouch says. Love is an amazing family and a soft bunny. Wow, I never would have put together love with an amazing family and a soft bunny. I don't quite see the comparison there, but okay, sure. Love is cookies, and then more cookies. Yum, 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 yum. Arp, 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 arp. Goes the Cookie Monster. Arp, 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 arp. Love is magical and full of wonder. Love is everywhere and all around us. The end. What a great book with showing us the different ways we can find love in our life, both big and small. Thank you for joining me for story time here at Jasmine's Reading Corner. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And if there are any books you would like me to check out, please email me or contact me through my Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook handles. Until next time, bye!